derived from Sanatan Dharma. This is our Hindu religion. It has no beginning and no ending. No one has been able to understand it completely till date, and neither will ever be able to. It is such a system of living life which leads a person towards spiritual awareness and peace. Even though Vedas, Upanishads, Gita and Puran are the basis of this religion, but it can neither be bound in few papers nor can be explained completely. The biggest speciality of Hinduism is our texts or stories mentioned in our Purans is that nothing in them is only good or only bad. Sometimes there is no clear difference between good and evil either. Every story in our Puran is an open thought. In our not mythological but Puranic stories, gods can be deceitful as Indradev did to obtain sage Gautam's wife Ahilya, or even Narayan himself who took the form of Mohini, a beautiful lady, to protect the nectar from the demons. And the demons can be virtuous, as King Bali, who donated the 3 worlds he had conquered, earth, sky and underworld or the netherworld, to Narayan in the form of Vaman. This is actually our Hindu religion where boons sometimes becomes the cause of chaos and curses turn into good. As the curse given to Indra, which later became the reason of churning of nectar, or even the curse given to Maharaj Dashrath of his son's bereavement, who later made Lord Rama the supreme being, the Purushottam. This is actually our Hindu religion where curses are given for betterment, as Arjun's curse of impotence, which ultimately was proved to be a boon during his 1-year exile. This is actually our Hindu religion where meant to bestow nectar, the Shiv Sagar ejects halahal poison, where Sita curses cow and Krishna blesses even the snakes, where Ram protects but Krishna becomes the reason of complete destruction, where blessings become curse but curses become blessings, where gods deceive but demons can be righteous. Actually, our Sanatan Dharma is not only a book or a way, but it is an open-minded approach to life. Here, with the help of our wisdom and conscience, we ourselves decide what is right and what is wrong. It also teaches us that neither anything can be always right nor anything be always wrong. Hinduism, on the one hand, allows us the freedom to ask questions, learn and become better human beings, while on the other it believes the entire world is one family and follows the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It inspires each generation to find their own path, to know the truth and to understand every aspect of life. This is Hinduism where yoga, meditation and devotion balance the mind and soul. This is Hinduism where nothing is only right and nothing is only wrong, where God himself has taught that time is changeable. Do what is right at the time rather than simply holding the stereotype and conservatism religious dogma. Sanatan, where every story is a mystery and every mystery has wisdom. If you want to explore such a super interesting Sanatan Dharma, then join me. Comment being proud Hindu and also like, subscribe and share please. Because knowing our religion is our right and duty too. Jai Siya Ram!